Hey guys, I'm here in Charlottetown, PEI at the Toys R Us, and I just wanted to say these guys were fantastic here. I tried to get some stuff last week. I was over here actually, and I saw some stuff and in the Megabloks section and in the Lego section. Mostly the Megabloks I'm concerned about, and I didn't get them, and I kicked my butt that I didn't get them. And I got home, I went to the brand new Toys R Us, only to find out that they have been discontinued by Mattel, which is odd because they're just brand new. And of course, everyone's claiming, oh, they can't get supply, they can't get supply. Well, we know where the Mega is going. It's going south of the border somewhere down Mexico way. But anyway, these store here, and there was a few up in Ontario, I think maybe one in Montreal, had what I wanted. But there was no way to get it to me, and the manager here tried everything that he possibly could to get it over to me back home, and it was just too much of a rigmarole, and it would have cost as much in shipping as basically it did for me to drive here. So I drove over, and there's my parents coming out there behind me there. Mom's in the chair, and they were so helpful, and such a great store here at the Charlottetown PEI Toys R Us. So just wanted to put it out there that, you know, some stores are fantastic, and they saved it for me.